Queen Elizabeth II has yet to carry out a royal engagement this year, days before the official beginning of her Platinum Jubilee. The Queen has been spotted in public on a few occasions since she arrived in Sandringham in late January. But she hasn't yet stepped out of her residence for an official visit nor carried out an engagement behind palace walls. Royal author Duncan Larcombe believes this light schedule is due to the fact courtiers want to make sure the monarch will be in full health over the coming months to properly celebrate her historic jubilee. The expert told OK! Magazine, "The Queen is really looking forward to this year's celebrations. It's the focal point of 2022 for the whole royal family. It's been a while since we've seen the Queen in person because her Christmas outings were cancelled. But she's simply taking it easy so she's in full health for this year's celebrations. Courtiers are wary not to put too much pressure on her so she's focusing on desk work, but in the coming months we should see her attend more virtual audiences." The Queen drastically reduced her workload a few months ago following doctors' orders. On October 20, the palace announced she was cancelling a two-day trip to Northern Ireland scheduled to mark the nation's centenary in order for her to rest for a few days. It was later revealed the Queen was taken on that same day to King Edward VII's hospital to run some preliminary tests, the nature or results of which were never disclosed. Other planned engagements outside of Windsor Castle were later cancelled, including the in-person attendance to COP26. Most poignantly, the monarch was also forced to miss the National Service of Remembrance, one of the most sacred events in her diary, on November 14 due to a sprained back. While agreeing with her doctors to ease up her workload, the relentless Queen continued to undertake in-person and virtual audiences and meetings. Her last official audience took place on December 15, when she received the Sultan of Oman and his wife at her Berkshire residence. While the Queen hasn't carried out official engagements in recent weeks, she continues to undertake her duties as a sovereign. These include dealing with the government's daily red boxes. The monarch may step out of her residence for royal visits in the near future and will certainly attend in person some of the events scheduled for the long June bank holiday during which the Jubilee will be celebrated across the country. On the other hand, other members of the royal family are sure to travel across the UK over the next months to mark the Jubilee, and may even travel abroad, Mr. Larcombe believes. He said, "We'll also see other members of the royal family traveling a lot more as they pick up Jubilee duties, COVID permitting, of course." The Queen's Platinum Jubilee will officially begin on Sunday. This date will mark a historic milestone, as the Queen will become the first ever English sovereign to have sat on the throne for 70 years. However, every year Accession Day also marks a sad anniversary for the Queen, as it coincides with the death of her beloved father. King George VI died in his sleep at Sandringham on February 6, 1952. During her current stay in Norfolk, the Queen is staying at Wood Farm, a five-bedroom cottage that became the main residence of Prince Philip following his retirement from public duties in August 2017.